Ayan mga lods. Quality. Quality rin tayo. Ayan o. Ayan yung ano mga lods. Alam di ba magkano to? Ha? 500 to mga lods. Ayan, 500. Ayan. Quality rin tayo.
The makeup? Oh, that's true, yeah. And then how are you?
Alright, I didn't dream I was back in the game the other day.
I have a position
Sarap kumain.
Wait, what?
graveyard. I saw that. Day shift. Day shift?
Wait, what?
What? I have a graveyard position.
You can't take me.
Day shift.
What?
Rachel?
I don't know, you're trying to get back?
Rachel? I switch around so much I don't think I can.
I do miss cashiering. I miss the 410s and like being in the window. I don't know if I'd ever want to make bank again.
See,
I
I'm
know
the
it's
exact
cheap.
opposite. I
It's
hate
so much
easier.
easier.
Yeah, I would
You
be
don't
the
have to
exact
make
opposite. I would like, I miss him banking. I do not miss cashiering. I hated that shit.
I miss cashiering because I guess
Yeah, I know, right? And somebody's switching up for you now.
I almost prefer hand count, but there's no real there's no option.
No, we don't do it.
I was so accurate. It was fun. I did it.
Yeah.
But no, it was weird because I had it having a dream of being in the cage in my perspective from like over 5 years ago. I'm like, cool. Like, that's weird.
Quality.
Like, well, it's just weird.
Good.
Like dream cage is way bigger than actual cage.
Yeah.
So I'm like, why is it like gymnasium size? I do miss it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the jet ladder.
Was that your boss that you were in? Or was it Kenny? Was that your boss or was it Kenny?
It was you and Jim. And then very shortly after it was me.
I remember.
What was it that did she post photos of me?
Oh, yeah. In the cage, in the mansion.
To think that she's the one that hired me. That's crazy to me. I would never do that.
I know.
Hi.
Kumakain ka ng regular.
Ano yun?
Na ganun?
Ano yun? Sinubuhan ka? Hindi, ano naman to eh, naka-record.
Yung old boss ko,
Oh.
na-fire siya kasi pinost niya yung picture ko sa loob ng cage.
Eh?
Yung kumakain, bunga ako ba na pagkain? Yun, di ba bully yun? Labas yung
Tapos?
boss niya. Na-fire siya.
Pero this is found out.
Ba, nagreklamo ka?
Siya yung naglagay.
Nagreklamo ka ba?
May camera. Yeah.
Nagreklamo ka?
Yeah.
Ha?
May camera. Yeah. At saka yung mga tao, nagreklamo sa kanya.
Ba, ano bang ginawa?
Sabi nila, why you do that to us? O, ba't mo ginawa sa kanya yan?
Lalaki?
Babae.
Babae. Pero walang
Party! Ram. Football?
feeling niya.
Shout out. Shout out sa inyo dyan.
Hi.
How's the food, guys?
Good, but I think mine's better.
Ha?
Good, but I think my nachos is better. Kaya mas masarap yung nachos ko kaysa...
Ba't iba yung nachos mo ko sa akin?
No, parehas lang ah.
Hindi ah.
No, she was referring to your nacho sa bahay.
Damn. Isimali lang tayo mga... Yung mga ano... Hindi makapunta sa point, sorry. Ano ba yun, te? Sino nagbigay sa inyo?
Muna dati na ko.
Panggas.
Ha?
Panggas.
Hindi, pang pagkain lang.
Just kidding. Oh, yung dalawang nakaitim. Sabi, papadubay ko kay Rima.
Try mo to. Nakakain ito.
Ano to? Masarap na to? Masarap na to? Masarap na to?
Fried green beans.
Ha?
Fried green beans.
Green bean?
Yung nilalagay sa nilata.
Masarap siya. ah. Wala silang ano, yung onion ring. Pwede ka mag-order dyan ng kape, hindi? Hindi, baka charge ka.
Sabi siguro na, andyan na nga yung kape. Libre na nga, hindi ka pa pumunta. Rachel, can you get coffee?
How much?
That's free.
Oh, okay. Magtaya ako ng 100 tapos how much yung coffee? Grabe, nag-bet ako ng tagka 100 tapos 50. Pag natalo yun, oh my God. Itan 750.
Try mo magtaya. Pwede ka ba dyan? Hindi na ako pwede.
Thank you. Kaya may coffee tayo, my lods.
Nakauwi na yan siya sa Pilipinas. Sino?
Ah, black coffee in the house.
Yung isa kanina?
Black coffee tayo tapos meron pa tayong ano, yung mga hindi makapunta sa ano.
Sabi nata eh. Kaya mo wala ka ganyan.
Boss!
Boss mo tayo.
Ha? Kaya mga lods, sarap ng kape. Enjoy lang tayo sa buhay. Saka maganda, black coffee tayo. Black coffee kayo ha? Ha?
May pasok pa ako tomorrow.
Anong oras? Dito ka na. Antayin mo na lang mag ano.
Mag-hotel ako sa office ko. Mag-hotel ka na dyan.
Mga lods. Kaya anong sabi nila?
Sabi mo kasi morning. Something is 8 to 6 p.m.
Anong sabi nila nung dumikit sila?
Here's for your food.
Binigyan ka ng pagkain din? Nasaan? Yung 20 lang?
Binigyan niya yung isa yung naglalaro ng $5.
Nanalo daw?
Hindi, kanina pa yung pinili. Kanina ba sa tumitingin ako yung dumaan sa akin? Yung quality. Kanina pa ka tumitingin.
Ha?
Kanina pa tumitingin yan tapos dumaan din sa akin.
Sino? Nasaan?
Nabigay ng pera.
Wala naman dito ah.
Kung lalaro ulit oh.
Yung nakabunet?
Oo. Pilipino. Pulol. Pilipino. Pulol. Kaya ko ra.
Kaya mga lord? Sarap.
Yun ang panlaban mo. Marunong ka mag-ilaw.
Ah. Panalo, panalo. Meron na tayong kampano. Sayang nanalo na ako ng 750 kanina. Shout out sa inyong like dyan, alright? Peace.